Let's talk a minute about healthcare in this country, the richest country in the world. I want you to think about a family member that doesn't have insurance, that might be in pain. I want you to imagine that for a minute. And I know you'd move heaven and earth to alleviate their pain or get them the medications that have been prescribed that they can't afford. If we think about it in personal terms, as opposed to the halls of Congress and hearing on TV about healthcare or Obamacare, but just as people, and if we imagine those people needing help, that they're our loved ones, someone that just has bad dentures for years, it sounds simple, but it's not. They don't have the money to replace them. A society can be based on how it treats its most needy. And there's millions of examples of it out there. So when you're thinking about healthcare and you're thinking about fiscal responsibility and how will we pay for it, we'll find a way to pay for it. How do you live with yourself if you deny it? And again, use the example of someone in your family. Someone's in pain, someone needs to see a doctor, and they can't. That should never happen in America. We need to be aware of this. We need to have that perspective. It's not just talking heads on TV commentary about healthcare. In this nation, everyone, morally, should have access to healthcare. And I hope you think about that. And when you do, think about it as somebody in your family that's needing it. And how do you feel if it wasn't available to them and they just suffered? As Christians, at a very minimum, everyone needs enough to eat, needs a roof over their heads, and when they're sick, they need to see a doctor and get the medications that have been prescribed. Let's make that a goal, a new beginning and a new perspective.